Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will create our first organization units, users and groups. Go to the Active Directory Users and Computers console. I create a new organization unit called Company. Under this I will add the departments. On each department I will create users and computers. If many organization units are to be created at once, the fastest way to do this is with PowerShell. For this I create a PS1 script. If the script is running, the organization units that have been already created will cause an error. To run the script, open a PowerShell as administrator, type import module Active Directory and run the script. Next we will create the users. For the users it's the same. If many users are to be created at once, the fastest way is to use PowerShell. So I created also a PowerShell script but for this script I will use a CSV file to hold the information of the users. Also the same is the upcoming error message for the already existent users. Now I will create groups for each department. To add users to the group, you can select the user, click right, add to group, select the group. can also select more than one user with the same click right, add to group, select the group, or it's also possible to open the group, go to member, say add, and select the user. In the next video we will configure a file server with a DFS and deduplication. You like to see a video about a special topic? Please let a comment down below. You wanna see more videos coming soon? Hit the subscribe to quickly find out about new videos. Thank you for watching.